Welcome to our video journey where we explore the fascinating world of pronunciation, unraveling the mysteries behind each word and its usage. In this video, the word is accelerator. 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 Accelerator is a noun that refers to a device or substance that increases the speed or rate of a process or action. It is commonly used in various contexts, including technology, physics, and business, to describe things that expedite or enhance a process. Here are some examples. Example number 1. The accelerator pedal in a car allows the driver to control the vehicle's speed by increasing or decreasing acceleration. Why accelerator is used in example number 1. Accelerator refers to the pedal in a car that controls the speed and acceleration of the vehicle. Example number 2. The startup received funding from a business accelerator program, which helped them grow rapidly. Why accelerator is used in example number 2. Accelerator describes the business program that helped the startup grow quickly and efficiently, like an engine boosting speed. Stay tuned for more linguistic wonders and join us in unlocking the magic of language. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep speaking, writing, and embracing the beauty of words.